factor, that means that we have, in a quadratic, we have two sets of parentheses. And we find out, first of all, what will give us the x squared. What multiplied together gives us x squared, and it is x times x will give us x squared. Then we find out what will give us the negative 64. What will give us negative 64 we get by multiplying the last two numbers together. That could be negative 64 and 1, negative 32 and 2, negative 8 and 8, and 16 and 4. So these are all possibilities. So what we want to do is find one that will give us a negative 12 when we multiply the, positive 12, when we multiply the outers plus the inners. That's how we get the middle term of positive 12. So we just use trial and error here. And when we do that, 16 and 4 is the only one that will get us a 12. Now, when you would, well, just a minute. That's so when you would do this with the numbers we picked out, you end up with a negative 12. So the outers give you plus 4x. The inners give you negative 16x. So when you put these two together, you get negative 12x. So if you ever get the opposite of this value, then you just switch the signs. So in this case then, this sign and this sign will both change. So your factoring then will be x plus 16 times x minus 4. We have now factored our quadratic equation. Now we use the zero product theorem, and we set both terms equal to 0. So you have x plus 16 equals 0. And if we have this and we solve it for x, then we end up with negative 16. If we set the other one equal to 0, x minus 4 equals 0, we solve it and we get x equals 4. So these are our two possible answers, and 4 is the answer because you can't have a negative distance. Any questions?